Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 1st of November 2021, and I hope everybody had an awesome Halloween. Each week I feature some of the best games, effects and all the things made across game dev in Unity. Be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome content and you have a chance to be featured in next week's episode. So be sure to throw a like on this video and come and join my Patreon if you want to get access to over 115 different scripts, projects and so much more. So we've got ILQ9105 and we've got Dwayne Johnson as a laser turret. Felix has been working on some Shapeshifting Combat. Mike Mobile has been revisiting his Zombieville USA after 10 years of learning, and look how refined this is looking. IRCSS has got a stencil portal, and there's also a visual effects breakdown, code and the meshes, and look how awesome this looks. Nigel Jossid, a few months ago, released a penguin-based heist game, and it's just reached 20,000 sales. raskalgames has got their new game, Ekstase, which is coming to the Nintendo Switch. Nikola Todorovic has got their final boss for the game Mortal Sin. Bus99 has got their 26 shooter that is now using URP11. DB Vectra 1 has made a really thick pigeon. Stefan_art has got the first time that they're showing images of their game. Check it out. Dennis Settenalp really does love the Centipede Monster, and here's some improvements. Gabs101 has created a Sci-Fi Shield, and there's a tutorial that you can check out today. Soaring Pixels has got brand new boat mechanics, but look at the scary monster in the background. RWA Animator is using Mesh Slicer with network dismemberment for VR. Adi Zahova has got physics and ragdolls and gladiators and arenas, and I don't even know what's going on. Sakura Rabbit has got some awesome visual effects and shaders. Lucas Schneider has got some particle rigid body forces, and these look super awesome. Unity Shader Bible has got a flying bullet, all with a use of the Unity Shaders Bible. Velista has got a prototype for their game, which is currently under development. Sniper ED007 has added some blur, fog, particles and so much more. Cell 95, after 3 years of development, their social horror Mirror Layers is finally out on Steam. Eremite_games has got an early access look with the first content pack with new biomes, perks, decorations and so much more. And Retro Forge Games has got a Halloween inspired monster and a super cool energy effect. So be sure to check out all these games, effects and so much more. I'll leave all the links in the description for you to check them out. Do let me know what you think. Come and support me on Patreon to get access to over 115 different scripts, projects and so much more. Come and chat to me on Discord. Come and check out my great assets on the Unity Asset Store. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.